everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Chat, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lisa.
Hello, Lisa. Hello to all our lovely listeners. I'm Mark, and I'm very happy to be here with you today.
Mark, you sound very excited today.
Yes, Lisa, because today's topic is something fun and personal.
That's right. Today we will practice how to talk about hobbies in English.
Yes, easy conversation for beginners.
These are simple sentences you can use to talk about what you love doing in your free time.
Perfect for beginners who want to chat with friends or in interviews.
Don't worry, we will speak slowly and clearly.
And we will repeat sentences and give easy, real examples.
But Mark, before we start,
Yes, our small request.
if you like learning English with us, please click the like button.
Subscribe to Daily English Chat to learn English step by step.
And share this video with a friend who wants to improve English.
Now, let's begin today's lesson.
Okay, Mark, what is a hobby?
A hobby is something you do for fun in your free time.
Not for work or money.
Yes, just because you enjoy it.
Good.
Common question: what are your hobbies?
Or, what do you do in your free time?
Or, do you have any hobbies?
Answer, yes, I have a few hobbies.
Or, my hobby is...
Let's share our hobbies.
My hobby is playing football.
Nice. How often?
Twice a week.
With friends?
Yes.
My hobby is reading books.
What kind?
Romance and mystery.
Good.
Another hobby, cooking.
I like cooking too.
What do you cook?
Pasta and biryani.
Yummy.
Gardening is my hobby.
Really?
Yes, I grow flowers.
Beautiful.
Photography.
Taking photos?
Yes, nature photos.
Show me sometime.
Sure.
Dancing hobby.
I dance sometimes.
What style?
Freestyle.
Fun.
Painting.
I paint watercolors.
Creative.
Music hobby.
Playing guitar.
Can you play a song?
Yes, later.
Singing.
I sing in the shower.
Everyone does.
Watching movies.
Hobby?
Yes, every weekend.
Favorite genre?
Action.
Travel as hobby.
I love traveling.
Where?
Mountains.
Nice.
Collecting things.
Stamps or coins?
Coins.
Interesting. Interesting.
Yoga hobby.
I do yoga daily.
Relaxing.
Running.
Morning run.
Healthy.
Gaming.
Video games?
Yes, with friends.
Fun.
Writing.
Journal?
Yes.
Good habit.
Now, questions about hobbies.
How long have you had this hobby?
For 5 years.
Why do you like it?
Because it's relaxing.
Who introduced you?
My friend.
That's nice. Friends introduce good hobbies.
Yes.
How often do you do your hobby?
Every weekend.
Good.
Do you do it alone or with others?
With friends.
Fun.
Is it expensive hobby?
No, cheap.
Good.
Some hobbies expensive.
Like golf?
Yes.
Indoor or outdoor?
Outdoor.
Fresh air.
Indoor hobbies.
Reading.
Painting.
Cooking.
Yes.
Hobby benefits.
Relax mind.
Reduce stress.
Make happy.
Learn new skill.
Meet people.
Good.
Changing hobbies.
I had different hobby before.
What?
Dancing.
Now?
Reading.
Okay.
No hobby?
Some people say no hobby.
Suggest one.
Walking.
Easy.
Childhood hobbies.
When child, I played dolls.
I played cricket.
Fun memories.
Recommend hobby.
Try painting.
Relaxing.
Or gardening.
Nature.
Pronunciation.
Hobby. Hob-be.
Enjoy. Enjoy.
Relaxing. Relax-ing.
Creative. Creative.
Repeat. My hobby is reading.
Again.
Your practice.
Say, what is your hobby?
Your turn.
Good.
Common mistake. Say hobbies wrong.
Hobbies.
Role play. Friend.
Hey, what do you do free time?
Play guitar.
Cool.
You?
Photography.
Nice.
Another role play. Family.
Mom, my hobby cooking.
Good. Help me.
Yes.
Colleague roleplay.
Break time. Hobby?
Gym.
Good.
Challenge.
Share your hobby in the comments.
In English.
We read all.
Inspire others.
Thank you for watching.
Find your hobby.
Enjoy life.
God bless.